Welcome to SBL Foods. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today is a potato and a peas curry in a South Indian version. This is tangy too. Let's begin with the recipe. To begin, in a pan, I'm adding little bit of oil, some mustard seeds. When it's crackling, few curry leaves, then shallots, few garlic. I shall saute this till the color change with onions. The potatoes have been cut and put it in the water so that it won't change the color. I'm going to saute this for another 1 or 2 minutes with some peas along. Here I have the Tamarind Extract. With this, a little bit of water. While this is cooking, we can make the masala for this curry. The fresh grated coconut, this is a mixture of roasted peppercorn, coriander seeds, jeera and the curry leaves. I'm giving you the description for this in the below. And the roasted red chilies and some fried gram. Little bit of water. I'm going to grind this. All the vegetables are cooked. I'm going to add in the grinded masala to this. Salt to taste and the jaggery. To this, I'm going to add in a little bit more of water. Now this is well cooked with the masalas. The yummy curry is ready to eat. This can go along with poori, chapatis, rotis and even rice. Potato and peas curry is ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.